And yes, we are live. We are live another day. Yeah, Marcus Pudding live. Remember, you see, we do no excuses, cha-ching. And today another combo. Cross 4 and tap 8. Are you ready? First, watch for yourself. Let's go. Now, no excuses. Let's learn it together. Let's go. Yeah, wherever you are. Let's do it on the street or wherever you are. Let's go. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We open. We cross. We open. Now, we step forward. Tap to the back. Step to the back. And tap. Now with the right. Open to the side. Open. Cross. Open. And now step to the front. Tap. Step to the back. And tap. Looking great. One more time. Open. Cross. Open. Yes, do it with me. Step. Tap to the back. Step. And tap. Now the same with the right. Open. Cross. Open. Step. Tap. Step. Tap. Amazing. Now with the count. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Amazing. Amazing. Cha-ching. This was the move. And you know what? Let's do it right now. Face to face. I want to see you while we practice. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's go. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. Wherever you are, try this move with me. Let's go. Starting with the left. We open. We cross. We open. Now, step to the front. Tap. Step to the back. Tap. Yeah. Now with the right. Open. Cross. Open. Step. Tap. Step. Tap. Yeah. Again with the count. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. With the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. One more time. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's add some twist into that. While doing the taps, we can lean forward and lean back. Let's see how we do it. Let's go. First, like we did before, open, cross, open. Now, we will lean forward, bam, bam, and then lean backwards. Bam, bam. Yeah. With the right, open, cross, open, and again, lean forward, bam, bam, and lean back. Yeah. Let's do it from the side. You with me? Let's go. We open, cross, open, and now we will lean forward, bam, bam, and lean back, bam, bam. Yeah. Now, the other side. Open, cross, open, lean forward, and lean back. Yeah. This is the move. This is the groove. Yeah. And if you're the serious student and you want to practice with me these moves, cross 4 and tap 8 with me in the studio for free. Always for free. How can you do that? Check the links above, below, to the sides. Or if you're on Instagram, check the link in the bio for the YouTube channel so you can search for these moves, cross 4 and top 8. Today, we did a combination between these two moves. And by the way, these are universal moves, meaning you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Yes, I'm serious. You can do them while dancing. Salsa, bachata, hip hop, kizomba, zumba, rumba, samba, samba, and many other kind of dance that I don't even know their name. But these are universal moves, so make sure to do them in today's party, whatever party it may be. Because again, these are universal moves. And either way, no matter what, do these moves. Today, yeah, today. Why today? Amazing question. Glad you asked. Because tomorrow, you have a new footwork. New footwork every day. Marcus Body Coding Live. Yeah. So, I guess I'll be seeing you tomorrow with a new footwork.